everybody, dear colleagues. I cannot see them. Welcome at the second edition of PwC Got Talent. Yeah. I don't see a lot, but maybe that's good. I don't know. Yeah. To introduce ourselves, I'm Eduard van Heuvel. I'm a manager within the Digital Trust Department, and I'm here together with
Pien van Gils. I am an associate within the Internal Firm Services Department.
And together we will host this event with 7 beautiful acts for you upcoming. Acts from dancing, singing, guitarist, solo, duo, as a group. We have a big entertainment for you tonight.
Yes.
So that's great.
Yeah, that's definitely great. We're very blessed with all the acts and all the talents within PwC, of course.
Yeah, and first you saw the act of the champion of last year, actually, huh?
Yeah.
So Hannah.
Yes, exactly.
Are you still there? I have a small story for you to introduce her. Originating from Eindhoven, her journey has one of the cultural immersions and personal growth. Upon her arrival in the Netherlands, she sought to familiarize herself with the local customs and people. It was long before she connected with the Indian community in Eindhoven, where she joined a dance group and forgot new friends. With each week, her confidence grew and she found herself eagerly participating in all kinds of activities to embrace her rhythm. Now she reveals in performing a fusion of Bollywood tunes and Bengali songs, reflecting to her heritage. Dressed in a traditional Indian dress, she dances the joy with it. Give it up to Shreya and Aisha.
के बिजुरिया गिरी हाय रे परेशान कर गई आए करनी कमरिया तेरी हाय रे मेरी जान ले गई आए मन के बिजुरिया गिरी हाय रे परेशान कर गई आए गोरी गोरी सुनरी 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 पिंक तेरी चुनरी 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 दिल पे जाए गुजरी 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 तुझे लिख के बताऊं या गा के सुनाऊं मैं ओ तुम के शुभरिया
Yes? Out of breath? How are you feeling?
Actually nice, but my dupatta got malfunction.
Oh.
That's okay.
Oh, well, we didn't see it, and I think the audience missed all that too. So, no worries about that.
Yeah.
Really good of you to have opened the show, so thank you for that, for like the performances.
Thank you for having us for the first performance.
Yeah, of course, that's really cool. And were you nervous from the start, or?
Not at the beginning, but when we saw the stage and everything else, so it was quite, intimidating. So
Yeah. Well, and I think you did very, very well because we couldn't see it, right? Nice. That's really, really good. So I think we're also quite curious what the judges have to say. Yeah. So then we're going to just get there's a spotlight.